Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to force dark mode on all apps on Android. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open settings on your device. You can see over here settings has been opened. What you have to do is scroll down, find the option for system and tap on it. Now you'll be led to the system interface. You'll be able to find several options over here. Over here, what you have to do is find the option for developer options and tap on it. If you do not find the developer options over here, make sure to enable the developer mode. Now once you tap on the option developer options, you'll be able to find several options over here. Over here, what you have to do is simply find the option for override force dark. If you find that option, what you have to do is toggle the button right next to that option. After that, the dark mode will be enabled on all the applications. But sometimes your Android device may not support that particular option. So in that case, there is a simple trick that will help you to enable the dark mode on all the apps. So for that, what you have to do is simply go back. Now in the settings interface, what you have to do is simply find the option for battery and tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find the options related with battery over here. Find the option for power saving mode and tap on it. Now over here, you'll be able to find the option for use battery saver. Simply toggle this button right next to the option use battery saver. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. You can see over here, if you turn on the battery saver, the dark theme will be enabled. So simply tap on the option turn on. Now the battery saver has been enabled. Now if you open any applications, you can see over here the dark mode will be enabled. So like this, you'll be able to force dark mode on all apps. So that is how you force dark mode on all apps on Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.